Smart strategies for investing $100,000. Are you ready to invest $100,000 but unsure how to start? This money can transform your financial life if invested wisely. Investing seems complicated with endless options. Some have low risk, while others promise big gains. This guide simplifies your choices and helps you set your financial goals. Before you invest, clarify your objectives. Do you want growth, income, safety, or flexibility? Knowing your goals shapes your investment strategy. The first step is to assess your risk tolerance. Can you handle volatility, or do you prefer a conservative approach? Next, build a safety net. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This protects you from emergencies. Consider paying off high-interest debt. It's a guaranteed return and frees up cash for investments. Then, allocate your funds across asset classes, stocks, bonds, and alternatives. This balances growth with protection. Automate contributions to your investments and monitor performance quarterly. Rebalance your portfolio if necessary to maintain alignment with your goals. With a clear plan, let's explore the best ways to invest at $100,000. Stock market investments are popular for long-term growth. Index funds track benchmarks like the S&P 500 with low fees and high growth potential. A historic investment of $100,000 in an S&P 500 index fund has grown to over $1 million in about 30 years. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, provide diversification while trading like stocks. Dividend stocks offer ongoing income and potential growth. With $100,000, investing in high-quality dividend stocks could yield $3,000 to $5,000 annually. Real estate is another solid investment. Owning rental properties generates monthly income and long-term appreciation. Alternatively, consider real estate investment trusts, or REITs, for a more hands-off approach. Crowdfunding platforms allow investment in larger projects with smaller amounts. Fixed income options give stability. Treasury bonds are low risk, while municipal and corporate bonds provide varying yields with some risk. Consider alternative investments like gold, cryptocurrency, or private equity. While they may carry higher risks, they can enhance portfolio diversification. Deciding where to hold your investments is just as important. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or HSAs to maximize your earnings. Avoid common mistakes when investing. Don't chase quick wins or ignore diversification. Be cautious of timing the market and keep an eye on fees that could erode your returns. Investing $100,000 can significantly boost your wealth. Choose based on your goals, whether it's growth, income, or preservation. Diversifying across stocks, real estate, and bonds while focusing on low fees can lead to more efficient growth. The key is action. Leaving your money idle is a missed opportunity. Invest wisely, and over time, your $100,000 can grow substantially. Have questions? Think about how much cash to keep on hand, whether to hire a financial advisor, or how to rebalance your portfolio. If retiring soon, consider a conservative mix with more income-producing assets. Start your journey to financial independence today. Explore your investment options, align with your goals, and let your money work for you. For additional insights and financial tips, subscribe to our channel and turn your financial dreams into reality.